hunting we will go, hunting we will go. I-O the mill, we-o, hunting we will go.
Yeah.
So here we are at Hobby Lobby, and as you saw inside, there was some stock today there. They actually had some Topps regular packs. Those were $4.99, a little pricey for those. And the Chronicles 21 football hanger boxes, and those were $15.99. So again, you know, Panini is raising their prices anyway, but I believe that some of those are a little overpriced at the moment. But more importantly, I think this guy has a custom chicken house in the back of their truck. Yeah, that's not a doghouse. That was, in fact, a custom high-end chicken house. That's a whole nother video for another day that I can tell you about. So I am going to make a stop at Meijer this morning. Now, this is a Sunday, so obviously Saturday drop, didn't make it for that. We'll see if there's anything left over from yesterday, and I'll be curious to see what's happening. So we will see what happens here. If you will remember, I was on the road last week, and I'm actually back on the road now, and I missed the drop last week by literally 9 minutes.
I never, oh, here's a section over here. Don't expect much and you won't be disappointed, right?
Well, we weren't disappointed as we didn't expect to see a lot, and there was nothing. Now, depending on what's getting dropped each week, you can pretty much expect that. Well, we're going to make a stop at a very busy Cracker Barrel. See what's going on here. I'm down in Bloomington, Illinois, about ready to hang out. Looks like. Well, we didn't see much in that Cracker Barrel, just a hockey pack, so that's it for that one. We will move on and head toward Indianapolis and see if we come across anything that way as we continue our way toward the east. Alright, I am going to make another stop at a Meijer's just because we can. And as we know, some Meijer's don't put all the cards behind the counter.
Amazingly, they have some left. Gypsy Queen. More Stadium Club. We got Prestige. What else?
Well, as you saw in Meijer, they still had some stuff left over from the drop yesterday. Things that we've pretty much been seeing. I thought I'd grab a Gypsy Queen just because I wanted one more. And those are $25 here. But here's the killer. The Elite Football Fat Pack. 30 cards in the Fat Pack. Let's see if you can see it here. $19.99 for a Fat Pack at Meijer's. I damn near just said put it back and forget that and go get a blaster box at Target online of anything. So outside of Topps Chrome, I know that's going to be more from what I'm hearing from everybody, but I expect that. So yeah, Meijer, while they have some product, this, you know, Panini is just jacking everything on top of its before prices But Meyer is also jacking stuff. And their addition to the pricing from Panini's raise. All right, well, I know we abused ourselves at the last Meyer. But I thought I'm going to stop. Just in a rare event, there might be some Topps Chrome in here. Rare, but I'll give it a shot. But don't worry, I'm not buying any more $20 fat packs. If I were a sporting card, where would I be hiding?
Sporting.
Like baseball cards, football cards? I was really off.
Right here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So we saw some of the elite fat packs, the $20 fat packs. Some hockey. And that was it. The fact that they have anything left is kind of amazing after the drop that they have, because things aren't staying on shelves long. So, this is outside of Dayton, Ohio. Time to get back onto the highway as the sun sets and mosey on down I-70 towards St. Clairsville, Ohio. This might be all they have here. I find it kind of hard to believe. We're going to have to ask somebody. So we're out of luck at Walmart. Matter of fact, they really didn't have anything in stock at all. And the woman I talked to there said there isn't much there because no one's been coming into stock. So this is St. Clairsville, Ohio, at the Walmart that is off of I-70. Okay, well, we see the sign. Let's see if we can find a driveway. And there it is. I don't know if I was supposed to turn there or not. But I did. Oh, things are moving around here. Looks like nothing here. Pokemon. Well, we didn't see anything in there, but the one behind the counter actually told me something really interesting. Is that this truck usually comes on Thursdays, and if I wanted something to call ahead, and they would order it for me. Is that even a thing? Anyone else hear of that at any of the Cracker Barrels out there in the wild? Because that seems kind of wackadoodle. But, then again, we're talking sports cards. So, we're going to get this rental chariot off the road and moving on to heading east. So, off we go toward beautiful downtown Wheeling, West Virginia, and points beyond. Now we'll stop at the Cracker Barrel. And let's see if there's anything at this one. Let's see if there's any parking. How are you?
Okay, how are you?
Good. Okay, so not much at Cracker Barrel. This Cracker Barrel also restocks on Thursday, so as you know, it does vary from place to place. Check your local and check out when they get their trucks. And we'll move on. Okay, Barnes & Noble, our next stop. How are you?
I'm well, and yourself?
A little wet, but hey, could be worse.
Could be worse.
Just checking to see if you have any sports cards in.
Let's check.
I'll go back to the display.
Yeah,
Okay.
They should be on the display.
Okay. Wasn't sure. I can't keep track in back or. Yeah. Question for you.
Yeah.
So, interesting. You're one of the few Barnes & Nobles that actually moved cards back out on the floor.
Uh-huh.
Was there any?
I don't know. I honestly.
Just kind of happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was weird because for the longest time they're out there, then they came back behind the counter.
Yeah. I don't know.
I guess things haven't been as crazy, I'm guessing.
Yeah, I don't know why we done that actually.
Okay. We have a rain delay going on. Holy smokes. Raining pretty good. I'm in West Virginia at the moment. We got some rain coming down. So, as you saw, looks like a full stock of Pokemon and some Magic, but nothing in the sports cards. Looks like just some hockey was left on the shelf there. Alright, I'm going to make a quick stop at Target. Let's see if I can find an umbrella. Roll out the tarps. It's a rain delay. Alright, let's see here. The rain delay didn't bring us anything here, did it? Well, with the rain coming down, I think this is a good time to step aside and take a break. So make sure you stay tuned, because we've got a lot more from this trip coming up shortly to show you. So hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and we will see you back here next time on Card Hunting in the Wild. Thanks again, everybody. Take care.